Hey, what if I told you that 80% of the mods people slap on their cars are complete money pits that do almost nothing? But hidden among the noise are a handful of game-changing upgrades that mechanics see every day, yet rarely talk about openly. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 forbidden performance mods that can actually transform your car. Here's the crazy part, one of them can add up to 15 mpg, and the number one mod is so extreme that car guys still argue whether it should even be allowed on public roads. Stick around because this one gets wild. Number 15, Flamethrowing Exhaust Kit. Let's start with pure theater. Flamethrowing exhaust kits turn your tailpipes into literal flamethrowers. They shoot massive fireballs on command or during hard deceleration. It's completely illegal in almost every state, violates multiple fire codes, and is about as practical as putting rocket boosters on a shopping cart. But damn, it looks insane at night meets. These kits dump raw fuel into the exhaust and ignite it with spark plugs hidden in the tips. Some setups launch flames 3 to 4 feet long. Crowds lose their minds. Reality check though, you can light brush on fire, scorch the paint off the car behind you, and get pulled over before you even leave the parking lot. Insurance companies will drop you instantly if something goes wrong. It's stupidly fun and stupidly dangerous. You'll be surprised what comes next. Number 14, High Flow Air Filter Upgrade. Most factory air filters are basically suffocation devices. They're designed to be cheap and quiet, not to let your engine breathe. A proper high-flow filter from K&N, AEM, or similar lets your engine gulp real air. I've seen bone stock Civics pick up 5 to 8 horsepower and 2 to 3 mpg just from this swap. They're washable, reusable, and one quality filter easily outlasts 10 paper ones. The mistake most people make, they drown the filter in oil like they're seasoning a steak. Too much oil contaminates your MAF sensor and triggers check engine lights. Do it right, light, even oiling, and you get cleaner, better flowing air without drama. This next one separates the real builders from the parts catalog shoppers. Number 13, Cold Air Intake with MAF Sensor Modification. Factory intakes are quiet, but they pull hot, thin air from the engine bay. A real cold air intake moves the filter outside that heat zone, feeding your engine denser, oxygen-rich air through bigger tubing. The ones that actually deliver results often need the MAF sensor relocated or recalibrated. Yeah, that part lives in a gray area legally, but the payoff is real. 20–30% better airflow, cooler intake temps, and on turbo cars, 15 to 25 horsepower with proper tuning. Less knock, more aggressive timing, and the engine just wakes up. Manufacturers put off-road use only stickers on stuff they know is going on street cars. It's all regulatory theater. Number 12, Lightweight Pulley Kits. Your engine wastes a shocking amount of power just spinning its own accessories: alternator, power steering, water pump. Heavy stock pulleys make it work harder than it needs to. Lightweight aluminum or underdrive pulleys reduce that rotational mass. The engine revs faster, throttle response sharpens, and the car feels noticeably quicker even though peak horsepower barely changes. It's all about usable power. I've done full kits on older V8s and it felt like dropping serious weight off the rotating assembly. Just don't cheap out on the crank pulley. Mess up the harmonic balance and you can destroy bearings or snap a crank. Stick with proven brands and do it right. You're going to love this next one. Number 11, ECU Remap for Performance, Emissions Defeat. Modern ECUs are handcuffed by emissions regulations. They leave massive power on the table with super conservative tuning. A professional remap can unlock 20 to 50 horsepower by optimizing fuel maps, advancing timing, and shutting off power-robbing systems like EGR. Throttle response becomes crisp, the engine runs cooler, and in some cases fuel economy actually improves in normal driving. The catch? It's federally illegal to disable emissions equipment for street use. Some states look the other way, others hunt it aggressively. Quality custom tunes aren't cheap, but they're night and day different from generic flashes. If you're still watching, smash that like button, we're just getting started. Number 10, Performance Exhaust System. Your stock exhaust is basically a straw. A proper performance system, mandrel bent, quality materials, smart muffler design lets the engine exhale freely. We're not talking cheap fart can mufflers. We're talking systems that reduce back pressure while keeping usable torque. Pair it with a tune and the power gains become addictive. Better flow means quicker turbo spool on forced induction cars and stronger top-end pull on naturally aspirated ones. Biggest rookie mistake? Going way too big on pipe diameter. You lose exhaust velocity and kill low-end response. Size it correctly and it sings. Number 9. Catalytic converter delete. This is the one car guys whisper about in the paddock. The catalytic converter creates serious back pressure. Replacing it with a straight pipe can unlock 10 to 20 horsepower and sharpen response dramatically, especially on turbo setups. It also sounds aggressive, but it's illegal under federal law for a reason. Cats destroy up to 90% of harmful emissions. You'll fail emissions tests instantly, risk huge fines, and insurance companies aren't fans. It's a raw trade-off between performance and consequences. Number 8. Fuel system return line modification. This one is sneaky. Modern returnless fuel systems were designed for emissions compliance, but they can cause fuel pressure drops under hard driving. Adding a proper return system with an external regulator gives rock-solid pressure exactly when you need it most. It's nearly invisible to inspectors but makes a huge difference on boosted engines. No more lean conditions under boost, just consistent, safe fueling. Expect to spend serious money on quality parts and professional installation. Fuel fires aren't fun. Number 7. Variable valve timing elimination. VVT systems are brilliant for daily driving and emissions, but they hold back peak performance. Locking out or removing VVT and installing aggressive fixed cam timing can transform high RPM power and allow higher redlines. The downside is worse emissions and potential low-end drivability loss if you don't support it with other mods. Like most of these, it violates Clean Air Act rules. Number 6. Resonator and muffler delete systems. Straight-through exhaust with no resonators or mufflers is raw. You'll pick up 5 to 15 horsepower and get that loud, aggressive sound everyone notices. But it violates noise laws in most places. Cabin drone can make long drives miserable and angry neighbors are real. Professional fabrication makes all the difference here. Number 5. Straight pipe exhaust with electronic bypass valves. This is the smart play for people who want it all. Valves let you run quiet for daily driving or inspections, then open up for full straight pipe flow and power when you want it. 20-30 horsepower on tap in open mode. Law enforcement is starting to catch on to these systems, so it's still a gamble. But when done right, it's one of the most versatile exhaust solutions out there. Number 4. Airbag suspension conversion. Airbags give you infinite ride height control. Drop it for perfect handling and aero on the highway, raise it for speed bumps or loading. The handling transformation can be dramatic when geometry stays correct. Most states hate modified suspension height, insurance gets nervous, and a failure at speed can be catastrophic. This is not a weekend DIY project. Number 3. Methanol water injection systems. Methanol injection is pure cheat code territory. It cools intake charge dramatically, raises effective octane, and lets you run more boost or timing safely. Serious turbo builds can gain 30-50 horsepower. But the system demands respect. Bad tuning or running dry can destroy an engine fast, maintenance is constant, and nozzle placement is critical. When it works though, it feels like free power. Number 2. Manual transmission conversion in automatic-only vehicles. Swapping an automatic for a proper manual is one of the most satisfying mods possible. You get direct connection, better control, less power loss, and that pure driving feel. It's expensive, requires major fabrication, and creates huge legal and registration headaches in many states. But for serious enthusiasts, nothing beats it. Number 1. Racing fuel ECU calibration plus full emissions defeat. The ultimate combo: full emissions delete hardware, custom ECU flash for race fuel or E85, bigger injectors, and optimized everything. This is where you see 50-80 horsepower gains on turbo cars and massive improvements across the board. E85's cooling effect and high octane let you push limits that would melt engines on pump gas. But this is maximum illegality. Big fines, environmental impact, and sophisticated detection methods are catching up. So tell me in the comments, which of these shocked you the most? Which one would you actually run if money and tickets weren't a factor? If you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. We've got way more deep dive car content coming. Next video, I'll show you 15 accessories every serious driver needs. It's already on screen, go check it out. Thanks for watching, drive safe out there.